Hi guys! Welcome once again to my world. Just welcome to my vlog. Ang gagawin na ko ngayon kasi is meron kasi akong binaling books that's actually from last month. Ngayon lang siya dumating at i-unbox ko siya. So, here's the box. Medyo mabigat siya. So, yan. So, mag-unbox ako ngayon ng ito. And since September, it's kung walang pandemic, it's Manila International Book Fair. So, just imagine kung wala sigurong COVID-19, nasa book fair ako ngayon. Nag-i-enjoy na ako splurge sa libro. Oh my God. So, ito yung second splurge ko for this year for books. So, let's see this. Buksan ko na to. Handa ako may kunting. Hambigat. Ang ganda. Ito yung books. Okay. Bumili rin. Yung books na to is coming from bago siyang parang independent publisher siya. So, it's actually coming from Lathala Press. So, ito yung one of their parang pag-giveaway nila to sa sa book launch ng Desiderata, if I'm not mistaken yan. Ito, ang cute. You can actually use this kapag lalabas ka for paglagyan mo ng mga abubot. It's nice. And then, this one, buksan ko lang to. Madami na naman akong mapipisil-pisil na bubble wrap. It's actually fun. This one is a notebook. Sila din yung nag-conceptualize ng design, which is really nice. Pretty, and it's pretty. It's really pretty, no? I can use this as a sketchbook kapag gusto ko mag-sketch. Pero parang ayoko, sayang. Ang ganda pa naman. It's really pretty. And then, pa-intermission muna. Gusto ko intermission muna ng girl life. Baka buksan niyo dito. Ay, walang Bob. Sino hindi nagsasound? Happy? I am. Okay, so we're opening this. I'm quite excited. Excited ako. Nung July kasi, bumili ako ng self-published book ni Pitch Exhibition na Lathala Press din yung nag-asikaso ng publishing, yung editing, design, and all. Which is maganda din yung quality ng book din na yun. And, these are their other book, sila din, ito nag-facilitate ng, ng self-pub ng mga libro na to. So, Deliderata. This one is, it's a collaboration to ng madaming authors. It's short stories. And I believe it's a book for a cause kasi yung, alam ko, portions ng book sales ay mapupunta sa isang charity. Nakalimutan ko nga lang kung anong charity yung na-sponsor nila. Pero, it's for a book for a cause to, which is from last year. Very nice. Ang ganda talaga. God. Nakakita na ako ng copy nito nung launch ng last year kasi isa sa mga kaibigan ko bumili tapos tinignan ko, which is really nice quality naman talaga siya. It's really good. Next book. Hindi kasi ako, sa totoo lang, hindi ako nakaabot sa nito, pre-order ng book na to. Buti na lang kasi may other sources kung saan makakakuha ng book. Thank you. Kung sa taong nag-asikaso nito. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's really pretty. This is actually collections of poetries. And curious ako kasi I'm actually currently working on a passion project kasi, which is epistolary siya, pero collections of love letters and poems. At as much as possible, nagbabasa din ako ng madaming poetries mismo talaga na works. Kasi parang gusto ko kasing i-broaden yung parang mga perspective or idea or how to make it. Ganun. It's really nice. May you always be brave. Ang ganda ng na to, ng postcard nito. Look at this. May pa-bookmark. Dagdag na naman sa collections ko ng bookmark. This is really nice. Wow. Pero ito kasi sa the internal pursuit of the reasons why kasi it's Writers Elves kasi yung nag-facilitate nito eh. Which is nice. Parang, yung kasi nila is self-publishing assistance. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, in case na makita nyo tong video na to. Ang pagkakaalam ko kasi is, sila yung for example, kapag yung author is wala talagang time na process ng self-publishing. For example, siya yung mag-iisip ng design, siya yung mag-iisip ng design, tapos yung concept, basta yung entire self-publishing process, sila yung gagawa in behalf of the author. Tapos sila na yung magpa-process ng mga shipping and all. Hindi ako sure kung tama ba, pero yun, i-correct it kung mali. Basta yun. Let me just read you an entry. Para nice naman. Ang ganda. Ang nice ng concept. actually sample. It's actually good. Let me just read two to three entries para masaya. Ocean. When people stare at the ocean, what are they thinking? Do they also wish the waves could take their sadness away? Napaka-relatable naman ito. Yung mga random tayo. Isa pa. This one is titled Keys. She built a wall around herself with lots of locks and she lost the keys. Ang ganda. Okay. Ito. I'll read the last one. To float. I wish I could silence my mind for a while. It constantly feels like a whirlwind of thoughts, tangled together like an overdrive machine. I feel like half of my body is underwater and the other half is observing the world around me. Always paddling, always trying not to drown. But sometimes all I need is to float, to stay on the surface of my thoughts, and to rest for a while from the constant paddling of my feet. Sometimes it's okay to take things at face value, to say thank you without doubting, to laugh without worrying, to appreciate without comparing. May I remember how good people are, and how magnificent simple moments could be, especially when you look at people closely and see the genuine smiles on their faces. May I remember all this before I dive into the depths of my thoughts. So every now and then, I will choose to float. I can't wait to read this. Most likely ito yung uunahin kong basahin. Next. Ito yung unang book na release ng Lathala Press. I'm actually glad na nakakuha pa ako ng copy nito kasi pagkakaalam ko, wala na talaga to eh. So, yun. It's actually nice. Ooh. Look how it's pretty. Bookmark ulit. Actually, it's nice. Ayun. Next, the last book is, nabasa ko na to sa Wattpad before. And, good thing, pinublish din siya ng author na nagsulat na to. Title is The Second Time Around. Ang ganda ng mga, ng mga book covers talaga. It's like pinag-isipan. Like this one, pwede mo siya mapagkamalan kasi na international book. Kasi yung concept pa lang. Alam mo yung quality talaga is maganda talaga siya. It's really nice. Bookmark ulit. Yun, ang ganda. Actually read this before. Yung Starving Squad series sa Wattpad. Parang group of friends kasi sila. At isa to sa mga characters na nabasa ko before. Can't wait. Sana i-publish niya yung other friends na part ng Starving, The Starving Squad. It's pretty. I'm really satisfied sa quality ng books. And, so, this is it. Pakita ko lang. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you sa pagtiyaga sa video na to. And, see you on the next one. Bye!